To replace the dust bag in Dustin's charging and self-emptying station, open the lid, pull the card, and remove the bag. The card will seal the bag so debris can't get out. Drop the full bag into the trash. To install a new dust bag, slide the card into the guide rails inside the station. Push the card down to make sure the bag is open. Closing the lid will also push the card into place. If the dust bag's opening is closed, or if it is not aligned with your air pathway opening on the charging station, the indicator light on the charging station will turn red. Open the lid, remove the dust bag, and clean any visible debris from the air pathway opening. Then slide the dust bag back into the guide rails. Press the card down to open the dust bag, then close the lid. Let Dustin dock and press Empty Bin on the app, or initiate a self-emptying by pressing the charging button on Dustin while he's docked on the charging station. If air is able to flow freely, the indicator light turns off. Note that the light is blue if there's no self-emptying trouble and Dustin is removed from the charging station. Over time, debris can build up on Dustin's charging contacts, inside the charging and self-emptying station and on the charging station indicator window. To clean them, use a clean, dry cloth to wipe the areas thoroughly. If heavy debris becomes clogged in Dustin's dustbin, or his charging station and self-emptying station, the indicator light on the charging station blinks red. Here's how to clear it. To clear debris from the dustbin, remove the dustbin and open it to remove any heavy debris inside. Check the entry and exit flaps on the dustbin and clean debris gathered in those areas. Check the disposal vent aperture to make sure it bounces freely. To clear debris from the self-emptying charging station, remove Dustin from the station. Open the charging station and pull the card to seal and remove the dust bag. Set the dust bag aside and close the lid. Unplug the charging station from the wall. Remove the station from the charging bed. Then, tilt the charging station onto its back or turn it upside down. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to loosen the 5 screws on the air pathway access window. Clear the debris from the air pathway access window and air pathway canal. Reinstall the air pathway access window and tighten the 5 screws. Turn the charging station upright. Then open the station and slide the dust bag into the guide rails. Press the card down to open the seal and ensure free flow of air. Place the charging bed back into place and plug the station into the wall. Finally, send Dustin to dock or manually place him back on the station in position. If you need additional help with Dustin's charging and self-emptying station, please get in touch with our helpful support team.